Hello friend, how are you? How are you feeling today? I am making Arabic Majboos. This is a name Arabic social Majboos. I hope you want to learn how to make Arabic social Majboos. Let us stay with my video. I show you all ingredients with all recipes, and then practically with making now. Now I put oil with onion. The onion is coming maybe brown. Maybe you're mixing the with tomatoes and garlic and ginger with chili and other ingredients. Time to time I putting. You stay with me and watch the video full. I hope you understand. Let now I'm starting the cooking. Maybe you stay with video. Now putting the salt.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 piece salt. This is the ingredients for making majboos, Arabic and social Arabic majboos. This one social Arabic majboos. Now I put cinnamon wood. If you taste any limit you put, okay. Then again I put gulab. This one gulab. Then karamful, English gulabs, okay. And then now I put cardamom, green cardamom, simol, If you like any taste you put, okay. Then again now put dry lemons, because this is the must for majboos, social majboos. This one I put, and then for next period now I put the tomatoes. Okay, let's start with tomato. Let's start with tomato. This is the tomato. Okay. Now I put tomatoes and then to mix. This is the ingredients. And then after I am making 15 kg rice maximum. This is the ingredient 15 kg rice. I hope you understand. This is social Arabic majboos. Very nice and very tasty. Maybe I show you after the cooking. Waiting the video and watch. It's like this. You put mix, and after 5 minutes you open, and then after the 5 minutes put the other ingredients masala. Now close. Masala. Let's start with curcum powder. This one only 1 tablespoon. Okay. Then coriander powder. This one also coriander powder 2 spoon for social majboos. This is Kashmiri chili, only 1 tablespoon. And then this one biryani masala, you add 1 pocket. All or this one Arabic masala, mix masala. This one you put 1 pocket, 1 tablespoon. And then this one garam masala, you put 1 exactly. Or this one kamon, jeera, also put 1. This one mix Jordan masala, exactly you put 1 tablespoon. Okay, this tablespoon is carbon broke. This one Arabic masala plus 6. This one also put. And then this is my ingredients now. Okay, then start mix. Now mix. This is Majboos, social Majboos. You are ready to ingredients now. After my boil the water and then put here. 15 kg rice with you count with water. 1 kg to boil. 10. You take. Then after now I put 5 leaves. Okay, half sauce tomatoes. Okay, now I show you half and 3 butter for water, and then after I put chicken. This one chicken going now boil. Now boil the chicken. After 15 minutes remove with the rice water and put outside, and after now I put the rice. Coriander green and mince. यानी करी इसको बोलते हैं पुदीना, और उसमें जो होता है ग्रीन कोरिएंडर, जिसको उर्दू में आप लोग मालूम है इसका नाम, इसको धनिया हरा बोलते हैं, हरा धनिया, उसको उसके अंदर मिक्स करते हैं। अभी उसका कवर लगाते हैं। Friend, now I show you the rice water is coming low, and then after the now his need the fire his need to more slow temporarily because no burning. That is the good area for making social Majboos rice. Amazing, very nice. Today the last point, this one also finish, and then put the chicken to off, and then now need to close 20 minutes, put the low fire. After ready to eat. Amazing. Now start to giving parcel. How about the rice is nice? You see and check. See? Good. Amazing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start. I hope this social biryani, social Majboos, maybe you try to with this ingredients. The next video give me the now his leave it for wait the next video. Goodbye, take care.